Hi, Cottonwood community. I wanted to take a few minutes to introduce myself as Cottonwood Counseling's newest employee. My name is Emily Johnson, and I am a marriage and family therapist candidate. I received my Master of Arts from a small private school located in Southern California called Hope International University. And Hope's program was an amazing program, and I was honored to have been a part of it as I learned from incredible professors who are passionate about marriage and family therapy and equally passionate about their students and wanting to empower them to be the best therapist that they can be. And I know it's not easy to be a great therapist, but I think Hope has set us all up for success, and I'm so glad to have been a part of that school. So with that, I wanted to also just take a couple minutes just to tell you a little bit about myself. So I am a Colorado native, and I was born in Boulder. I didn't live here for too long, but then lived in the mountains outside of Denver, and then I've lived in Texas and grew up mostly in California, but recently relocated back to this amazing state of Colorado. I'm here with my family and my husband of nearly 4 years, and we're all excited just to be in this very amazing state and just exploring new relationships and new places we haven't seen and new possibilities and careers. And it's just a great place for us to be at this point in our lives, and we're very excited about what the future holds. So here at Cottonwood, I get to participate in learning EFT, and I'm really excited to work under Patrick and learn all the skills about emotionally focused therapy and what that looks like in applying that to the relationship of couples. And I will also get to participate in an externship of EFT in May, and I'll spend 4 days learning in great detail all about EFT and how to apply it. And I'm very much looking forward to enhancing my knowledge and my skills in working with couples utilizing EFT. I will also be certified at some point in Prepare and Enrich. If you're not familiar with Prepare and Enrich, it's a premarital counseling program, and I actually got to participate in Prepare and Enrich when I was engaged, and it was just a great way to explore talking about roles in your relationship, expectations in your marriage, how to deal with family and finances and all sorts of fun things, and just a way to talk about how to really manage all of those things while still having a fun, committed relationship. I also offer individual counseling to those who are experiencing anxiety, depression, grief and loss, major life transition, peer relationship issues, parenting issues, and so much more. And I'm really passionate about just sitting with each client who comes to see me and being present with them in the moment and just exploring life with them at their pace and just offering a safe environment for them to explore their internal world and looking at how they belong in their world, and how they work with those in relationship around them, and how to just provide the tools to help each person be the best that they can be despite whatever circumstances that they're going through. So something else that Patrick and I are excited about is I get to offer counseling and EFT to couples at a reduced rate. So I know that EFT can be very expensive, and not everybody can afford those high fees. So I will be offering a sliding scale, and if you're interested in what that might look like, feel free to reach out. I'm happy to talk about it. And otherwise, my fees are posted on cottonwood.healthcare, and I'm also listed on Psychology Today. So I'd love to get to know all of you, or just to know who's here and who's a part of Cottonwood, whether you're a therapist or not. It's great just to know who's supporting Cottonwood counseling, and who's in the area. So if you would like to chat, feel free to comment or to reach out. And I look forward to getting to know all of you and to offering counseling at Cottonwood Counseling Center. So I'm grateful for this opportunity, and for Patrick, and just for everything that I will learn, and that grateful for all the clients who decide to work with me. So yeah, so feel free to visit cottonwood.healthcare and look for more posts and videos from me in the future, because I plan to do this as often as I can, just to give you all a little bit of a taste of who I am as a person and just the things that I'm excited about, just to yeah, kind of show you I might be a therapist, but I'm also a person. So I look forward to sharing more with you in the future. And have a great day, everyone. I look forward to seeing more of you soon. Bye!